Let me guess how your financial life started. You got your first paycheck, you felt rich for about 5 minutes, and then somehow, without doing anything crazy, it disappeared. Not because you bought something stupid, not because you're irresponsible, just life. Bills, food, little treats, convenience. And nobody ever sat you down and said, hey, here's how money actually works. School taught you algebra, history, maybe how mitochondria work, but not how debt traps people, why budgeting fails, why earning more doesn't fix money stress. So if you've ever thought, why does everyone else seem to know something I don't? Yeah, this video is for you. My name is Mike, and I spend way too much time thinking about why normal, intelligent people struggle with money, even when they're doing their best. If you're someone who never learned personal finance growing up, feels anxious checking their bank account, or wants to get money right, before it gets complicated, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if this video helps you understand money in a way that finally makes sense, give it a thumbs up. It helps more than you realize. All right? Let's talk about personal finance, the stuff school never taught you. Here's the first thing you need to unlearn. The biggest lie about money is this: if I make more, everything will be fine. It feels true. It sounds logical, but it's wrong. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average household increases spending almost dollar for dollar with income increases, which means raises disappear, lifestyle expands, stress stays. Income doesn't fix money problems. Behavior does. School teaches money like it's a number, balance, total, amount. Real life money is a system. Money comes in, money goes out. If more goes out than comes in, you lose. If slightly less goes out, you win. That's it. Wealth isn't how much you earn. It's how much you keep and why you keep it. Here's what most people don't realize. Budgets fail because they fight human psychology. They assume you'll be rational, never get tired, never get emotional, never crave comfort. That's not realistic. Money decisions are emotional decisions pretending to be math. Until you understand that, nothing sticks. This is where it gets really interesting. Your life has a monthly operating cost: rent, food, transportation, subscriptions, convenience, emotional spending. Once your lifestyle cost gets high, your income stops mattering. Two people can earn the same amount. One feels free. One feels trapped. The difference is maintenance. Person A needs $2,400 per month to live comfortably. Person B needs $4,000. Both earn $4,500. Person A saves $2,100. Person B saves $500. Same income, different futures. Debt isn't evil, but it's dangerous when misunderstood. Here's the shocking stat. According to the Federal Reserve, over 40% of adults couldn't cover a $400 emergency without borrowing. Not because they don't earn, because debt eats flexibility. Debt turns future income into past spending. Here's the beginner rule. Good debt helps you earn more, grow something productive, has a clear return. Bad debt funds consumption, loses value, requires future sacrifice. If it doesn't increase future income or stability, it's probably hurting you. Now you might be thinking, Mike, credit cards are dangerous. They can be. But here's the truth. Credit cards don't cause overspending. They hide pain. Spending without immediate pain feels smaller. That's why people swipe more than they spend with cash. Saving feels impossible because your lifestyle expands. First, savings are treated as leftovers. Emergencies steal progress. Here's the shift. Savings aren't what you hope to keep. They're what you protect first. Paying yourself first doesn't mean starving. It means savings leave your account before spending sees them. You adapt downward automatically. Discipline becomes unnecessary. Automation beats motivation. People ignore small money. That's a mistake. $300 per month invested over 30 years at average market returns, approximately $350,000 to $400,000. Small numbers win because they're sustainable. Emergency funds don't just stop emergencies. They reduce anxiety. They stop bad decisions made under pressure. Money stress shrinks your thinking. Cash restores it. Here's what school really should have taught. Real investing is boring, slow, steady, unsexy. If it feels exciting, it's probably gambling. Compounding works slowly, painfully slowly at first. Then, suddenly, it doesn't. Most people quit right before it matters. This is the psychology part people spend to signal success, reduce anxiety, feel normal, avoid feeling left behind. Until you separate money from identity, progress stays fragile. Now you might be thinking, Mike, this sounds nice, but I don't earn enough yet. Actually, this matters most at the beginning. Bad habits compound too. The goal isn't being rich, it's being stable. Stable enough to breathe, think, choose. Wealth starts with stability. If you remember nothing else, remember this. Spend less than you earn. Reduce lifestyle maintenance. Build a buffer. Automate progress. Increase income without inflating life. That's it. Everything else is detail. Because it's not standardized, it's uncomfortable. It exposes systems. But you can still learn it. Late is better than never. Look, nobody starts knowing this. You weren't supposed to. But now you do. And once you understand money, it stops feeling mysterious. Pick one thing from this video, just one. Fix that. Then move on. That's how real progress happens. I'll see you in the next one.